little bit different from the last time we went four-wheel driving.
More comfortable, less arguments.
It's not bouncy yet, like Ace Ventura. Lumi's showcasing her knot skills from Scouts. Wait, that's not Lumi, that's Mark. Nope, we're not camping. We came on the motorbikes. Oh my gosh. We are using the Kravczynski utilities.
On the frying pan.
And Lumi's camping again. Hello, Lumi.
I can tie my hair up.
Oh, and do your makeup.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have makeup.
It's not her Insta face. Why are you filming this?
Yeah.
My eye.
Filter.
Look at my eye.
Show us your eye. No, you gotta go to the right. Yeah, ugh, that's yucky.
Ugh.
Yucky tobacco.
That's
Anyway,
like that.
we're gonna go on the beach today with the D-Max. Wow.
Is it live?
Nope. Poor turtle. That's one dead turtle. It's massive. Wonder how it died. Doesn't look like there's any bite marks on it or anything. Maybe just natural. We're at Red Canyon, but it's blocked. Don't know what it is. So I'll fly the drone up and have a look. We're now walking up to the lighthouse in Double Island Point. Geez, that was a very slow drive. Oh, took a couple hours, but it was good.
I don't know what this is for.
Walking. Walking.
It's like a panda.
Place to be.
What are we doing?
Well, I'm just looking at all these rocks down here wedged.
Oh
as
yeah.
if they're
Oh wow.
fallen. I'm sort of thinking this is probably not so safe.
Wow. Look at all the foam down there. Wow. That's not funny, Lemmy. You're so immature.
Yo! Oh, this is so cool. Look, ready?
Yeah, that's.
Is it ready?
Ajashi. Ajima. We have arrived at the lighthouse. It's been here since 1884. And a legend has it that Bob still lives there with his three-legged dog. Isn't that right, Lemmy?
Huh?
Yep. Bob lives here with a three-legged dog. But they keep him locked up and only feed him fish heads at night. Go, try. Knock on the door and he knocks back.
It's calling me, like the rainbow. It's calling me, like the rainbow. The rainbow.
Mark, are you okay? That's pretty scary. I'm not good with heights at all. I'm out.
Yeah. Scaredy cat.
Found a cave, a bit messy. Like it's probably like 30 meters down, but I can feel the water hitting my face. Oh. Like the camera probably doesn't do it justice, the way it looks. All right, I'm out.
Like the rainbow, it's calling me. Like the rainbow,
decided that the surf beach is too much. We're going to go to a lagoon now. Oh my goodness. That's a big difference. Big difference in waves. Are you going for a swim now? Are you going for a swim?
I'm trying to get changed.
Nice. Go for a swim.
It's salt water.
What's in salt water? What do you think?
I thought lagoons are normal water.
Depending where.
It tasted bad.
Oh. All right, we're going home. Thank you for having us. That was fun. Thank you for allowing us to take photos of you when you were sleeping.
Yeah. Keep it funny.
That was hilarious. Here's one for fun.
No.
Ah! Oh, yeah, because where's your coconut? Let's have a quickly. Where's the axe stuff, Jaja?
Będzie do wyrzucenia.
Let's have a look.
A tak jakbym go umył, to my później to zrobimy z Lumi.
Okay.
Tak, Lumi?
Jaja says he's going to take it apart and do it properly. See you later. Cheers. Now, cheers. Bye, Mama.
Bye. Ale weź mnie nie nagrywaj, proszę.